Hello everyone, welcome back to Spanishhut. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn how to give instructions in the Spanish language. Telling people what to do is not just something the boss does. Anytime you're helping someone with a problem, training someone, giving technical advice, or telling a colleague how to do something, you're giving instructions. Let's practice some ways to use these words to give instructions. Listen to each word or phrase, then repeat it for yourself. Ready? Let's get started. First is stand up. We call it as levantante. Next, get up. Ponte de pie. Get up. Time for work. Levantante ore de trabajar. Stand up. Time for fun. Levantante ore divertirse. Get up, boys. It's really late. Levántense, muchachos, es muy tarde. Stand up, please. Ponte de pie, por favor. Sit down, siéntate. Take your seat or take a seat. We call it as toma asiento. Open your books. Abre tu libro. Read your book. Lee tu libro. Please study. Por favor, estudie. Close your book. Cierra tu libro. Listen to me. Escúchame. Can you hear me? ¿Puedes escucharme? Raise your hand. Levante la mano. Answer me. Respóndeme. Come here. Ven acá. Let me know. Házmelo saber. Bring me. Tráeme. Take this. Toma esto. Take this medicine. Tome esta medicamento. This is right. Esto es correcto. This is wrong. Esto está mal. You will need. Necesitará. This is how it is done. Así es como se hace. This is not how it is done. Así no es como se hace. Clean your face. Limpia tu cara. Clean your hands. Limpia tus manos. Wash your face. Lavate la cara. Wash your hands. Lavate las manos. Fix it. Arréglalo. Look at me. Mírame. Look here. Mira aquí. Look there. Mira ahí. Pay attention. Presta atención. Get ready. Prepararse. Pick up. Recoger. Carry this. Lleva esto. Push the box. Empujar la caja. Send me an email. Envíame un correo electrónico. Send me a text message. Envíame un mensaje de texto. Turn it on. Encenderlo. Turn it off. Apágalo. Open the door. Abrir la puerta. Close the door. Cierre la puerta. Eat your vegetables. Come tus vegetales. Eat your food. Come tu comida. Be careful. Ten cuidado. Please stop. Para por favor. Do not worry. No te preocupes. Do not enter. Na entrar. Do not forget. No olvides. Do not touch. No tocar. So our last phrase for today's video is bring me water. We called it Spanish as tráeme agua. So this is all about giving instructions to people, right? So this is all about this video. Hope you understand each and every word of this video. See you next video. Thank you.